Correct the following statements. Surgical methods of contraception prevent gamete formation. Now, surgical method of contraceptions, they do not prevent gamete formation. Rather, they prevent the transfer of gametes to the reproductive channels and hence prevent conception. Now, in this question, in the statement, surgical methods, that is vasectomy and tubectomy, these methods of contraceptions prevent gamete formation. So, gametogenesis that occurs under the influence of the hormones FSH, LH in both males and females. So, by cutting and ligating the reproductive ducts in males and females do not prevent the gamete formation, but they prevent the transfer of these gametes to the reproductive channel, and therefore they prevent the process of conception. They act as a contraception method. All sexually transmitted diseases are completely curable. So there are many STDs which are not completely curable, but if they are detected in the early stage, they can be treated, but it cannot be completely curable. Some examples are AIDS, they cannot be cured. If they are detected early, treatment can be given, but it cannot be cured. Some of the sexually transmitted diseases are curable, but not all. The next statement, oral pills are very popular contraceptive among rural women. Oral pills are very popular contraceptives among the urban women, not among the rural women. So now, this word is an incorrect. So it is not popular among the rural women, but they are popular among the urban women. Now, in ET, that is embryo transfer technique, embryos are always transferred into the uterus. In ET, that is embryo transfer technique, the embryo are allowed to grow to a certain stage, that is 8 cell stage or 16 cell stage. Now this is the ideal stage for the transfer of embryo. Now if you are transferring an embryo of 8 cell stage, they are transferred into the fallopian tube, which is also called as oviduct or the uterine tube. And if the embryo is more than 8 cell stage, that is around 16 cell stage, then the embryo is transferred into the uterus, which is the site of implantation. So in ET, the embryos are always transferred into uterus is correct. If it is 8 cell stage, less than that, it is transferred into the fallopian tube. If it is more than 8 cell stage, it is transferred into the uterus. Now these are the changes in the respective sentences.